I was fighting some demons. In the field, bitch, I'm deep in. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in. But I give it back while you tweaking. Come around with that rah-rah. We leave you dead on the...
Hey guys, it's Tamia here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my twist out routine, plus I'm going to be doing a first impressions on this hair wax paint stuff. So basically it's like a hair dye, but it's temporary and you can wash it out with one wash and it doesn't ruin your hair and stuff like that. This video is actually really exciting because this is a collab with Afro Nation here on YouTube. She is doing a natural hair video as well, so make sure y'all go over there to her channel and like and comment on her video, and also subscribe to her channel. I'm going to have the link to her channel and video down below. Anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and I'm subscribed to this channel, which is linked in there down below. And like I said, make sure y'all go check out Afro Nation's channel. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be using today is this hair paint wax. I actually found out about this hair paint wax from a girl that goes to a school near me. She goes to the school like the next town, but you know, whatever. I seen her on Snapchat using this stuff and I thought it was really cool. I also follow her on Instagram as well, so on her Instagram she had uploaded pictures of like the finished hairstyle and stuff with the hair paint in it, and she had like the link to the Instagram. I went to their Instagram and they had like a bunch of different pictures of natural hair goddesses and like people with this like regular hair, and they were coloring their hair with this hair paint wax. But this stuff is actually very safe for hair, especially natural hair. And also this is what the logo and stuff looks like, just in case y'all want to look at that. And then here is the color. So I got my hair section into 4 parts because that's how I had it yesterday. So on the little top, it has the directions. It says apply a small moderate amount of wax to damp hair. I'm just going to go back through and comb my hair out. And then I'm going to take the water bottle and kind of wet it a little bit more. So now we got the dye right here. This is what it looks like inside. So I'm just going to take like this amount, and my hair is getting all stuck in it. And so now I'm just going to put it in there. And like I said, my hair is super duper thick, so it's probably gonna take a generous amount of this stuff to actually dye it. So this is what it looks like, y'all, and I mean, it looks good. I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Actually, I kind of messed up because I meant to put product in my hair, but I'm probably not going to put too much product in it because I put a lot of product in it yesterday, so it really doesn't matter. So now I'm going to do this top part, but before I do it, I'm going to put a little bit of leave-in in. Yeah, so right now I'm putting some leave-in, and I'm about to show y'all the jar of leave-in I use, because I keep forgetting this is a twist out routine and not just a hair dye video. So guys, my leave-in that I just use is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Bobaca Oil leave-in cream. So it's a leave-in conditioner. Next, I got this argan oil. This is the Argan Growth Oil by Africa's Best. I'm also going to put a little bit back here in this puff because I forgot to put product back here. Next, I got my Eco Styler Cannabis, and I put this up in there too. Now it's time to put in a little bit of the dye. Like I said, they have an Instagram, and I'll link their Instagram name like down below so y'all can go check that out. But they have a website, and when you go to the website, they have literally every different color. They have gold hair wax paint. Like I said, I have red and purple here. They have blue. They have like a turquoise color. They have orange. So guys, now I'm gonna do these last 2 sections, and I'm probably not gonna talk. I don't know why the camera's blurry, but So guys, now I've put dye everywhere on my head. Give y'all a little turn around so y'all can see it. But now I'm about to go ahead and twist it out. I don't really use no combs during my twist outs. I just kind of break my hair away, and then I put the wrist up. Now I just break a piece apart. Can't never talk. So now I just split it into 2 parts. And now we're twisting it. So guys, now I'm just gonna go to the back. So guys, I finished the front and the back, and now I'm going to move to this side. So guys, now I'm on the last section of my hair. So guys, I just went ahead and twisted the rest of my hair, so you know, just gonna now wrap it up and whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll subscribe to this channel, which is linked in down below. And like I said, make sure y'all go check out AFRONATION'S channel. Her link to the channel will be down below, as well as the link to her video. So like I said, go over there, like, comment, and subscribe. Anyway guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.